What's up, everybody? Today's the day. Folsom, Yak-A-Bass, February. Only got about 3 hours of sleep last night, so pretty tired. Should be a good day. It's gonna be exciting. This is my first tournament, so I'm looking forward to it. 105 total anglers. It's gonna be a good one, guys, so stay tuned. Hopefully, we're just trying to go out there and have some fun today and see what happens. 13 1/4. First fish of the day. Little midday update for you guys. Still only caught one fish. 13 3/4. I'm gonna make a switch to another part of the lakes. And yeah, just go from there. Number 2, 16 inches. Alright guys, that's number 3, 16 and a half. I don't know what's going on right now, but we're gonna keep doing the exact same thing. See if we can limit up. Ah, come on, baby.
Navarra, Mike, congrats, 20th place, 58.50 on the inches. At 59 inches, it look, he's already passing things out. It looks like Dirk Mercado, 18th place, 60.25, Mr. Greg Blanchard. 17th place, Terrence Sullivan. 16th place, it looks like O. Williams. 69 inches and 69.75. In 15th place is Bam Miller. Tony Tran is in 14th place. 13th place was Sean Robinson. 12th place, Kong Her. And in 11th place, Mike LaBoy. So round of applause for your 11th through 20th. We're going to go Big Bass right now. Big Bass at $900. 20.75. Almost a 21-inch bass. Shane Lamont. Shane. Before you get your $900, what'd you catch it on and where and how deep? And tell us a little bit.
I'd love to say a Huddleston, but it was just a 6-inch drop shot, robo worm.
What's the color? Margarita? MM3. Skunk pot, no fish. You still go home with some money. Let's get Shane Jones up here. Shane Jones. $185 for the skunk pot. Yes. I'll throw my fish. I'm going to trade boats, gift bag. Forget my fish. There's like a $100 gift bag right there. No success. We've got small limit right here. Mr. Ron Lewis.
Oh, shit. No way.
Small limit Ron Lewis gets $120. Here we go. 10th place, David Oren. 9th place, Brandon Hernandez. 8th place, Anthony Garrick. 7th place, Justin Ducher. So you guys are bumping up a place. 6th place, Tyler Coons. 5th place, Alex Cox. 4th place, Ron Lewis. 3rd place, up on the podium, Tony Manuel. 79.50. 82.25 in 2nd place, Damian Thau. And 1st place, top of the podium up here with 87 inches, Bob Zhang. Go, Bob! Where'd you find him? What'd you find? What was it all about?
I used Versatile.
Lies!
TRD. All at the buoys. Real easy. All day.
Same thing all day, like 18 feet, 16 feet, 50 is finding fish, 20 feet. All right, come on, spill the beans.
All right, I caught my fish on different things. My 2 bigger ones came on a 10XD, and then I was fishing just the peninsula on the side, and most of my fish came on the right rock piles in about 25 to 30 feet.
Way to go, David!
Nice work. And then Victorious, the champion. How many fish did you catch overall? Over 12. Whoa. Just a second. I have an anal moment over here.
Let's go, Bob!
Did you just say 20 fish?
Yeah. Actually, said over 20.
Over 20. Did you lose count? Do you have a clicker? You get a little bead thing on your... Okay, here we go. So we want to hear. How'd you catch over 20 fish?
Pretty much first 4 hours, nothing really, and then as soon as there was a little bit of wind, I went to hit some rock piles, and all the fish came on spy baits and drop shot.
Spy baits. I'm just going to rub you for some good luck. Dude, congrats. That's awesome. Over 20 fish out in Folsom. Folsom Golden Boy right there.
Well, everybody, that's going to do it for today. It's a long day. First tournament in the books. Raw. Ended up with 3 bass. First one was a 13 1/4. Second fish was a 16-inch, and the third fish was a 16 1/2. All of them came on the drop shot, robo worm, hologram shad. I missed 2 fish. I had a follower, hit it right at the kayak, lost him, and then I had one, was fighting it for a bit and got off, so that could have been my limit right there, but that's just the name of the game. And yeah, if you guys are interested in getting into kayak fishing tournaments, then just go out there, find your local club. I had a blast. I'm definitely going to do this again. If I can give any tips, probably be just go out there and have fun. Don't stress. Have a good time. Had a great time today. Met a lot of cool people and learned a lot of things. And can't wait for the next tournament. If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. See you next time.